Today we're going to be reviewing the Galaxy Buds Pro, so stick around. Okay, so these are the Galaxy Buds Pro, and I ordered these from Amazon a couple days ago for $177. I divided this review into two main categories. The number one would be the build quality, and the number two is the audio and the sound quality. So for the build quality, we're going to go first with the case. These Galaxy Buds Pro have the best case. I've dropped it several times and no mark. Literally no mark. This case also supports wireless charging. The coil is here, and if you forgot to charge it and then take it away, no charger with you, so you can easily put these on the back of your Samsung device and charge these easily. Now for the bud itself, it's a pretty nice look. I see the design. I think they nailed it. They say this is the combination of the Galaxy Buds Plus and the Galaxy Buds Live. But I do think these look more like the Galaxy Buds Plus rather than the Galaxy Buds Live. Except for the round shape they have done, those were like a square shaped bud. But these are kind of rounded. These buds use silicone tips, so this fits perfectly in my ear. I got to say, this is not the best fitting in my ears, but it's still very close that these don't feel heavy on your ears. I almost forgot that these are in my ears while I was walking, jogging, and even got to the shower with these. These buds are pretty water resistant. I dropped it in the water like one time, it is completely fine. But that doesn't mean you should always drop it in with the water. The main reason this is perfect for water, that if you go to jogging and you sweat a lot, then these can handle that much water easily. Unless the AirPods Pro or the AirPods Gen 3, these use the tapping function. On the AirPods, you need to like squeeze the stem so that the pressure sensor inside detects that pressure and execute that command according to the pressure we apply on the stem. But these one use the tapping function, which I think is better than the stem, because some people don't like the stem falling out of their ears, falling on to the looks. These buds are pretty darn fancy. Unlike the AirPods, which has a stem outside, these don't, so it perfectly fits into your ears rather than putting out a stem, which a lot of people don't like. Okay, so this was all the build quality. Now I'm gonna go with the audio quality or sound quality which these earbuds offer. So for this, I got a phone right here, and I'm going to open this, and we're gonna use a app called Samsung Wearables. So let me just connect it real quick. Okay, I wore these and I connected these to this A51. Okay, these are pretty darn good. Like the bass, the amount of loudness, this is just amazing. I'm gonna say these are literally the best quality I've ever seen, according to my opinion. Don't get on this to me that AirPods are good, those are also good, but literally, in my opinion, this is pretty good. After I'm reviewing these after 2 days, I think this is better than AirPods. No hate to Apple, but I gotta say, these take the W for the audio quality. These buds have a active noise cancelling. So, for example, if I open the Galaxy Wearable app, I can choose between the active noise cancelling and the transparency mode. And for all that sake, I'm gonna review the ANC first and then tell you more about ANC and transparency mode. I got to say, the ANC is pretty good, but I'm not gonna say this ANC is better than AirPods. You see, AirPods also have a active noise cancelling. I'm gonna say the active noise cancelling is not the best on these buds. So, as mentioned before, I'm gonna tell you what is active noise cancelling and transparency mode. Active noise cancelling is used when there's a lot of noise outside. So what this does is capture that audio, reverses it, and then just merges those two audio files so that they cancel each other and there is just zero single voice, so that you cannot listen to the noise outside your buds. This works pretty well on these buds. Now, what is transparency mode, you might ask? The reason this exists so that I don't have to put my buds down and talk to the other person. Transparency mode enables, and then the buds will take your sound and the sound of the other person which is talking to you and amplify it. There's also a voice detect. So for example, if you talk to somebody, the buds will recognize that you're talking and then put the volume down. In this way, you can hear the other person talking to you. I'm going to share with you the audio quality of these buds. This is the audio recording from the Galaxy Buds Pro. I got to say, the audio quality is pretty darn good. Now the question is, should you buy these for worth $177? In my opinion, this is worth every penny. These are one of the best buds out there. If you have a Samsung phone, you should consider buying these. Now, there would be a comparison in the future on this channel that will compare the AirPods Gen 3 to the Galaxy Buds Pro. So stick around for that video, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tech Talks, and I will see you in the next one.